At NTI, we are the UK experts on how to become an insolvency practitioner. In fact, we're asked many, many times by people who are considering coming to our glorious profession or wanting to challenge themselves, as they're already a chartered or certified accountant or lawyer, or someone who's just interested in the rescue and reorganization of companies, how to become a licensed insolvency practitioner. How do I become an insolvency practitioner? And sometimes they ask us, how do I become an insolvency administrator? The fact is, initially, you must pass the Joint Insolvency Examination Board, or the JIEB exam. This is a statutory requirement, one set down by the Insolvency Act 1986. It used to be the case that people could become an insolvency practitioner by being what's called grandfathered into the profession. But since 1990, there is simply an exam you have to pass. There are in fact two exams. There's the corporate insolvency exam and the personal insolvency exam, and you can become a qualified corporate insolvency licensed insolvency practitioner or a personal insolvency licensed insolvency practitioner. You can pass both as well, and you can then become an insolvency practitioner. Also, statute says you must be a fit and proper person to act as an IP. Now, you do not need to be a lawyer, you do not need to be a chartered accountant, you do not need to have any other professional qualification, but what you do have to have is practical training. This has to be certified by one or more insolvency practitioners. So to become a licensed insolvency practitioner, not only must you pass the Joint Insolvency Examination Board's exam, you must also be certified as doing proper administration insolvency work in practice and be certified to have done such by one or more insolvency practitioners. And the law also states finally that a successful applicant will also be required to show their ability to carry out unsupervised the functions and duties of an IP, that's an insolvency practitioner, based on having been engaged during the 5 years immediately before applying to become a licensed insolvency practitioner. And this means having done not less than 600 hours higher experience in insolvency administration. So if you are asking the question, how do I become an insolvency practitioner? How do I become an insolvency administrator? Then please, at any stage, feel free to get in touch with NTI, the UK's leading qualification company, the UK's leading study company when it comes to answering the question, how do I become an insolvency practitioner? And the details are on the screen now. Inquiries at inti.co.uk, or you can call us at any time on 01962 77 2181.